What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have 3 dividend stocks to buy right now. These guys have huge dividend hikes. This is recent news with these huge dividend hikes. One of these stocks you might not be aware of, and I'm going to reveal it to you. And 2 of these are high yield dividend stocks that have increased their dividends, huge dividend hikes, which I'll reveal to you guys. Make sure you smash that like button. You got to hit that notification bell because I'm pumping videos out like crazy. I pump 5 or more a week. Let's check these stocks out right now. So the first dividend stock I would like to introduce to you is Dollar General Corp. It has a dividend yield of 0.96%, but don't let that low dividend yield turn you off or surprise you at all. It has a PE ratio of 22.54, a volume of 2.18 million US dollars. Market cap is 53.07 billion US dollars. Its year range is 173.50 to 241.14. Day range is 227.77 to 232.77. Previous close was 229.71. In the past 5 years, it has dominated the S&P. This looks like a beautiful traditional and or Roth IRA stock because it's beating the S&P. We'll go over the dividend trends, which makes these guys an amazing dividend stock. Let's check out their revenue real quick, and I'll go over a few other things about Dollar General. And this is in millions US dollars. 2015, 18,000, 2016, 21,000, 2017, 21,000, 2018, 23,000, 2019, 25,000, 2020, 27,000, in 2021, 33,000. So you're seeing a huge increase in revenue, which makes Dollar General a very attractive dividend stock with an increase in revenue over time, which makes very beautiful news about its dividend. The recent news on March 17, 2022, so they increased their quarterly cash dividend by 31%. Dollar General Corporation reported financial results for the fiscal year of 2021 and a fiscal year of 2022. So fourth quarter net sales increased 2.8%. So its dividend is going up, which is very attractive. So that's one thing. They just announced a dividend hike. So you like those dividend hikes with a lot of dividend stocks. There's a few more things about Dollar General that are very attractive. Let's check that out. Dollar General has an extensive stock split history in 92, 5 for 4, 93, 3 for 2, 93, 5 for 4, 95, 4 for 3, 96, 5 for 4, 97, 5 for 4, 90. Again, another 5 for 4, 5 for 4, 5 for 4, 2000, 5 for 4. So its price per share is increasing over time, which is very attractive. And it has an extensive stock split history. Again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. But you see those trends there. They do have a stock split history. If they keep on increasing their price like the way Apple does, nobody's going to want to buy the stock. And eventually the board of directors sometimes put their foot down and say, we're going to stock split to make this more attractive for investors. Let's check out Dollar General's dividend history. And again, don't let this low dividend yield percentage turn you off because the growth on this dividend stock is amazing. 2015, 22 cents, 2016, 25, 2017, 27 cents, 2018, 29 cents. Then it hit 32 cents in 2020, 36 cents, in 2021, 42 cents. And then in April, it hit 55 cents. So it has a PE ratio of 22.55, dividend yield of 0.73%, annual dividend of $2.20, and you're getting dividend hikes. That's the important thing. You like the dividend hikes, beautiful traditional and or Roth IRA stock, and of course a ad jumped in the way, but it's $229.50. Let's check out the next dividend stock. We got ourselves a high yield dividend stock, a real estate investment trust, IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, sitting at 201.75 with a dividend yield of 3.47%, PE ratio of 44.30, volume 204.82K, market cap 5.13 billion US dollars. The tier range was 162.81 to 288.02. Day range was 199.82 to 205.75, and its previous close was 204.55. My honest opinion, again, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description, but IIPR is probably the best Mary Jane stock out there. You're getting a dividend. You're earning passive income. It is beating the S&P, and it's beautiful traditional and or Roth IRA material. And I'll go over These guys, just briefly, to a lot of you guys that are new to this channel and understand what this real estate investment trust is about. These guys are a real estate investment trust that specialize in real estate with 100% leased state licensed cannabis operators. These facilities are mission critical for our operators and well located in states with established regulatory environments. They grow the Mary Jane. So they have a lot of properties that are doing very well. Each state, I mean, here's some examples: Massachusetts, Michigan, Nevada, New York, Ohio, Pennsylvania, Texas, Virginia. They're only getting bigger, stronger, and more dangerous. And I'll go over their revenue real quick and their dividend history. And again, this is in millions US dollars. 0.267, 2016, 2017, 6.42, 2018, 4.787, 2019, 44.66, 2020, 116.896. Huge increase in revenue. Now, FFO is important, but my gosh, these guys, the revenue's jumping up like crazy, and there's some serious potential with this real estate investment trust, aka REIT, is IIPR, that's a symbol, and there's a little bit more news on these guys. So Innovative Industrial Properties declares a 1.75 or $1.75 share per quarterly dividend, which is a 16.7 increase from the prior dividend of $1.50. So it's a high yield dividend stock that just increased its dividend by 16.7. Thank you, Seeking Alpha. Let's go to their dividend history. Look at this: 2017, 15 cents, 2018, 25, 2019, 45, 2019, 78, 2020, $1, 2020, 106, 2020, 117, then 2021, 132, then it hit 150, and then it hit 175. So it has a dividend yield of, it says right around 2.93% right now, according to NASDAQ. Google said otherwise, but it has 201.37 or $201.37. There is a little bit of a decrease in the price per share right now, but this is such a beautiful dividend stock, an excellent dividend growth stock to check out. Let's go to the final dividend stock. You may not be aware of this one. And that stock has a symbol MED or Medifast. It's sitting at 183.43, a dividend yield of 3.58%. PE ratio of 13.21, volume 137.20, market cap 2.10 billion US dollars. Its year range is 161.44 to 336.99. Whoo, significant drop. Day range 181.55 to 190.41. Previous close was 186.53. So what are these guys about? They're a health and wellness company. They found that people are more successful in their weight loss journey as they incorporate healthy habits. Right there. Hold on. Weight loss journey. So you're seeing something right there. Okay? Weight loss. That is huge. So there's their holistic health and well-being brand, Aptavia. I can't even say that right. But this is what I've heard of this one, and they have so many interesting products. That's something that is very interesting about this company. Look at these products they carry. These are weight loss products. Again, I'm not giving nutrition advice or anything, but these are a lot of products that they carry, and they have coaches. So they have a coach that'll help you with your weight loss. They have products that people take for weight loss. And this is the important thing. You need to understand that weight loss is one of the biggest businesses in the United States and in the world. Unfortunately, gluttony is a sin, and people are going to try to find alternatives, whether it's having bariatric surgery to try to lose weight, weight loss pills and supplements to try to lose weight, just gyms. I mean, that's one of the biggest investments that people make is weight loss and beauty products, as well as investing in weight loss and beauty products, which include gyms and coaches and trainers and nutritionists. That's what's important and what these guys bring to the table. So let's go over their revenue and their dividend history. So look at this. This is 2014, 285, 2015, 272, 274, 301, 501, 713, and 934. So there's an increase in revenue big time from 2014 to 2020. So what's the interesting news about these guys? They just declared a $1.64 share per quarterly dividend, a 15.5% increase from the prior dividend of $1.42. So the forward yield is 3.63%. That was announced on March 17, 2022, according to Seeking Alpha. Let's check out their dividend history. Look at this dividend growth on these guys. 25 cents, 32 cents, 48 cents, 75 cents, 113, 142, and 164. Sitting at 182.57 right now with a PE ratio of 13.41, a dividend yield of 3.05%, annual dividend of 6.56. Let me know what you think of this video. What do you think of these two high yield dividend stocks, Medifast and IIPR, and what do you think about Dollar General's dividend growth? Do you like any of these three stocks? Do you own any of them? Would you put these on your radar? So I'm going to post a video tomorrow, and thank you guys for being amazing subscribers. 7.8K, we're almost at 8,000 subscribers, so make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and smash that like button so you don't miss future videos. Take care, and I'll see you in the comment section.